Pato has a tendency to leave his jumpers at building sites. Here you go, bro. Another one. I've had that in my van for a while. Alright, this morning we start pulling a kitchen out because we're going to replace that kitchen. We were here a couple of episodes ago, putting that TV on, and now we're pulling this kitchen out. Just need to protect this. Now before I get ahead of myself and start putting protection everywhere, this wall is coming out. I have been up in the roof space to make sure that the wall can come out, but I haven't done that on camera. Tell you what, whoever installed this knew what they were doing. So there's the end of the house there. So these trusses go from out there to out there, which means that the supports are on the outside walls and the gap is bridged. Therefore that wall isn't supporting it. Go! Hey buddy!
Hey mate.
Good to see you, mate. It's episode 200, Pato, you happy?
Fucking 200, bro.
Whee!
We up there, eh?
Alright, because there'll be quite a bit of dust on this job, we're going to put a clear wall thing up. Alright, let's take the kitchen out. Alright. So the pantry here is making way for the fridge. The fridge is going there, and that's part of why this is coming away, just to open it up.
Screwed in that way.
So we're going to get a new backsplash, splashback, we call it splashback here. Anyway, we're getting a new one and it could be glass or tiles. Either way, this one's coming off. Well, I had high hopes of keeping the plasterboard, but that's not going to happen. So now we're going to cut the plasterboard clean off.
You got food, I guess?
Yeah, I got some food. It's morning tea time.
I gotta roll up to that safety shop.
Oh, you're gonna go there now?
Yeah, I may as well get some email.
Good to be working together again. This is our first time in the new year. Now, it was purely because I've just been pricing work rather than doing work. And the small jobs that I've been doing, it's just been one-man jobs. Good to get Pato on board. Gets a bit boring working by yourself. We got a treat box that the owner left.
Oh, nice.
Salted caramel, baked beans.
What are these?
Curly whirlies.
Is that a kiwi? Ginger kiwi.
There you go, ginger kiwi.
Ear, your nose.
That's a way better fit.
Is that?
See, I got a big head, and those ones there that I bought recently, and they're really good quality. They're the same brand, really good quality, but they just fit my big head. So Pato's new ones.
Oh. Bro, it's not so much big, bro. It's the
Look
shape.
at that.
It's the shape, bro. We
try to take care and protection very serious here at Brown Carpentry. can clearly see that this isn't a load-bearing wall.
Just shoot it on with a gun, eh, bro?
I have a feeling a builder might have put this power box in. That is a Paslow nail. The kind of nails we put in our framing guns. Look, holding on the plug box.
That's a good aim, man. Nah. Imagine that.
Oh, that's great. Look at that, guys. Wide open. It's a whole new beginning, a whole new reality.
A whole new world,
A whole new world. I agree with you, Father. So we got the electrician in the morning. He's going to make those cables go in there. Whew, very satisfying pulling out an old kitchen. I'm going to pull this cabinet apart now.
This is gonna take a while.
This might take a while. Whoo! Dust bomb over.
That is, bro. Nearly there.
Nearly there. There's a lot more dust than I thought there would be, so I'm glad I went, you know, the full, whew, windy. Glad I went all out with the plastic. I think it helped. Doing a bit of overtime, Ebo?
Sorry. Thank you very much.
Go proud, go!
How much?
200.
Get you later, bro. See if I can get it.
Oh, you nailed it. Just finished vacuuming for the third time. That was episode 200, guys. And the first episode of doing this kitchen renovation. And the next exciting episode will probably be getting this ready for the plasterer. And the electrician will be here as well, because we've got to get power to an island that isn't quite there yet. The dust kept settling, so I had to let it settle, vacuum it, get out, close all the windows so no wind was blowing things around, and then vacuum it again. So I've probably vacuumed it 3 times now. Time to go home.